Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss how to auto start your Chrome on the startup. When we start our PC and our Chrome will auto start, how we can do this? First of all, we need to access our startup folder. For this, we need to press Window R, and here we have a command shell colon and the startup. Just press enter. Here you can see this is our startup folder. After that, we need to get access of our Chrome folder. This is my Chrome and Chrome file. I simply need to click on this and copy this shortcut from here and paste the shortcut in the startup folder. Here you can see my folder is added in the startup, and if you don't find your Chrome in your desktop, simply you can search it from your button, and here you can also click on the right click and open the file location, and here you can also find the shortcut, and you simply need to paste your shortcut in the startup. By simple this step, you can easily add your Chrome in your startup button. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take